Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is jubilant. It is pronounced jubilant, and it is spelt Jubilant. Think jub, then ill, and then ant. Jubilant means feeling or expressing great happiness and triumph. For example, you could say, she was jubilant after winning the gold medal. The word jubilant comes from the Latin jubilare, meaning to let out or to shout for joy. If you're feeling jubilant, you might cheer or shout for joy. So, actually, the meaning today and the meaning in the past has been quite similar. Some footballers are known for giving rather jubilant displays after they score a goal or win a football game. So, for example, there was Peter Crouch, who performed the robot really well, actually, when he did manage to score. And then there was Tim Cahill, who pretended to box a corner flag. Can you think of any other football celebrations you might have seen? I think one or two might pop to mind that maybe are a little bit more famous than the ones that I've mentioned. And also, can you do them? I'm sure some of you can. Jubilant is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, I was jubilant when my family won the lottery. Wow, you would be jubilant. Jubilant is defined in the dictionary as feeling or expressing great happiness, especially because of a success. Jubilant synonyms include overjoyed, exultant, triumphant, joyful, rejoicing, exuberant, elated, thrilled, gleeful, euphoric, and ecstatic. Antonyms include depressed, discouraged, sad, sorrowful, unexcited, unhappy, downcast, and despondent. See if you can notice anyone feeling or acting jubilant today. It could be a friend winning a game or a character in your favorite book. Either way, impress your parents by using a new word today. Jubilant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.